Let's talk about XYO token. It has delivered on the targets already that I was going to cover today, so we will still talk about it. I'm covering this coin for the first time. This coin is a coin from 2018. I have never covered this coin previously, so I'm going to touch upon it very briefly. On its fundamentals, this thing has no inflation because it is there from 2018. Every other coin that they had to release, they have released all of that. So if they had inflation, it has already gone through overall inflation. This is among one of those coins that created Burj Khalifa patterns. It went up in 2021, then crapped itself and dead again, and then now is trying to go back up. If you are wondering what the hell they do, it is a DePIN project. If you don't know what is DePIN, DePIN is Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. And this was a hype at the end of 2023. Filecoin storage, every other uncle and auntie and everyone started saying that I'm DePIN, and they all started taking a ride on it. This is the usual case scenario. In 2021, everyone started saying I'm Metaverse, and later on they said I'm DePIN. Later, when AI trend came, they all started saying I'm dipping with AI. If Metaverse starts again, they will say I'm dipping with AI, but with the sweetness of Metaverse, because we support Web3 as well. All that bullshit continues to be there, but in case of XYO, we have to take their word for dipping, because they are there from 2018. At least they wouldn't be lying about that part. So I would consider them to be among one of those OGs out there. But I've never seen this project, unfortunately. Even in 2021, I think somehow I have missed it. That's why I'm looking at it for the first time. It's listed on American exchanges, Coinbase and Crypto.com. When I say American, I'm talking about the continent. Don't be bad with your geography. I'm not talking about USA. So assuming that it is on American exchanges, it is getting tapped into, it is getting a good amount of money from rich people. Even if they are not rich, they will take line of credits and loans, which is not possible with the continent of Asia. So this is a good part, which means that pushing this coin up is not hard. You can easily push this coin up because you have rich people behind it. And now coming back to the chart, it had formed a cup and handle and a double bottom, and this thing has already delivered on it, unfortunately. So I'm going to talk about the after effects. Now we are going to use 2 cents as a support. It's sitting at 2.28. This was the neckline of this double bottom, and this is the deliverance on it. If I had come 1 hour early, I would have bragged about it later on the update. But this is your support area, okay? The neckline now. This was the neckline in the past. This is the neckline now. As long as it continues to hold 2 cents and it doesn't lose it for more than 2 days, it doesn't dip below it for more than 2 days, doesn't close any candle among the 2 candles below it, I would assume that, okay, this thing is on an upward journey. Considering how it has shot up, now I have to give you the upward target as well. Even though, yeah, it is getting super bullish. It has a break of structure. Break of structure means that it is breaking out of its downward trend. Even though the rest of the market is crapping itself, it is delivering on its falling channel. So it had a falling channel, and this is the deliverance. So as long as it continues to hold 2, you can expect it to go and shoot up towards 3 cents. And if it does, then I'll come back and I'll update you towards the 5 cent story. But if it is not able to hold on to 2 cents, then I would expect that this thing is going to go down. Please do keep in mind that this is not a massive project, but it is a $300 million project, so not very small, which means that the momentum that you see in it is driven by more people, not a small group of people. So it's not a project with $100 million or $50 million market cap. It's a project with $300 million market cap. So that means that they have some kind of news going around that is pushing this price. Otherwise, based on TA, if I had come 1 hour early, I would have shown you that it had a double bottom, which was a bullish structure, and it was supposed to shoot up. I got late, and now this thing is flying anyway. So as long as it holds 2 cents, 2.0, 2 cents exactly, you can expect it to be on a journey towards 3. If it loses that, then of course we'll start talking about our downward journey towards 1.45 cents, and that's pretty much it with XYO. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.